Kevin B. Rujo.
My name is Arjen Steven Manuel Danganan.
My name is Clayton James Coach.
My name is Joshua Baquero.
We are the Group 4. We're introducing the parts for Project AP15 with challenge. First part is the Uno board. The next part is the green LED. The next part are the 13 jumper cables. The next part are the 8 resistors. The next part is the remote control. And the next part is the segment LED. And the last part is the mini remote controller.
Medyo na lang sa akin.
Dati na lang problema.
Dati patayin na lang ako.
Good day, Doc Earl. My name is Joshua Baquero, and I will show you our code in AP15 po with challenge. So yung challenge muna ginawa namin, sir, is ilagay na po namin siya ng controller po. Siyempre, tapos yung parang timer po niya. So, tapos yung dalawang ilaw po is green, then yung red po. So, yung ginawa po namin is kapag yung 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is green, then 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 po is red po. So, kahit saan po na number po yung nag-alternate po siya, sir, ng ilaw po kapag 0 green, pag 1 red, pag 2 green, pag 3 red, and so on po. Ganun po yung ginawa po naming challenge po sa Arduino 15 po namin. Yun naman po. Thank you po.